Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Nurturing Nook Academy. I am Sukhmeen Kochar. I am an enthusiastic phonics teacher. I help parents and teachers implement phonics with their children effectively at home and in their classrooms. I also help principals implement phonics programs in their schools. Many a time we come across a lot of parents who see that their child is not able to read. उनके बच्चे पढ़ नहीं पाते हैं जब वो अपर केजी में आते हैं या ग्रेड 1 में आते हैं. It's very common because in our times we never learned to read through phonics. But today children are expected to read by the age of 5, 6. They have to be fluent in their reading and they have to write answers and questions by the time they are in grade 1. So it's very commonly seen that a lot of children struggle to read comfortably. So phonics is a process, it's a way, it's a method of teaching children to read comfortably and easily through sounds. Basically, बच्चे sound के through words को read करना सीखते हैं. This is what we do in phonics. So now, for an example, look at this. We all have it in our hand. A phone. What is a phone? So, phone means when you listen, it gives you sound or voice. Basically, phone or phonics means something that involves sounds. So, in the method of teaching reading through phonics, it basically only means that we will involve हम लोग sound के through बच्चों को read करना सिखाते हैं. सबसे पहले हम phonics को define करेंगे. Let us understand the definition of the word phonics. Okay, so to understand the definition, we need to know two simple terms. One is grapheme. Grapheme matlab, what is a graph? It is like a drawing. It's the shape of something. So the written drawing of a letter is known as grapheme. While the phoneme is the sound of that particular letter. For example, the letter S, when we write, the grapheme looks like this. And the sound is S. So, grapheme is the written representation of the letter and phoneme is the spoken representation of the same letter. That is the sound. Phonics is a method where we correlate, we connect the grapheme of the letter to the phoneme of the letter to be able to read and write a particular language. A language means, is it possible to do it in any language? The answer is yes. Any language can be taught through phonics. Any language. Now let us take the example of Hindi language in our case. हिंदी में जो हमारी वर्णमाला में अलग अलग अक्षर होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम च की बात करें तो ग्राफीम क्या हुआ? च देखने में ऐसा दिखता है, लिखने में ऐसा दिखता है जैसा कि आप बोर्ड पर देख रहे हैं, पर च की फोनीम क्या है, मतलब च की साउंड क्या है? वो भी च ही है. इट इज जस्ट द सेम थिंग. अगर हम ज की बात करें, ज का ग्राफीम और फोनीम दोनों सेम है, पर जब हम इंग्लिश की बात करते हैं तो ग्राफीम और फोनीम सेम नहीं होते. When the grapheme is different from the phoneme, this is what makes reading of English language a little complicated. For example, in English, this is letter J. We call it J. But what is the sound? It is J. J और ज में फर्क है. च और च हिंदी में दोनों सेम है, नाम भी च है, साउंड भी च है. पर यहां जब हम बात करते हैं, ये है लेटर टी. टी की साउंड होती है ठ. सो टी और ठ डिफरेंट ग्राफीम और फोनीम होने की वजह से इट मेक्स इट अ लिटिल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड देयरफॉर वी हैव टू connect the grapheme and the phoneme but learn through sounds. So to summarize this video, all I wanted to explain you is that phonics is definitely going to benefit your child in a lot of ways, not only helping them read, write, it gives them a lot of confidence. So what are we waiting for? We definitely should learn and teach phonics to our children. So please wait for my next video where I talk about the next step. Please subscribe to my channel so I am motivated to add more videos to make you learn. Thank you.